Hello students, welcome to our economics class. Today's topic is very important 5 marks topic for your board examination. So what is the topic? Functions of commercial banks, which is from unit number 9, that is money, banking and inflation. So what are the functions of commercial bank? This question might be asked in many ways. Okay, first of all, this topic is divided into 4 parts. Okay, functions of commercial bank are actually 4. What are those? Deposits, B, loans and advances, C, agency function and D, general utility services. So functions of commercial bank are divided into 4 functions: deposits, loans and advances, agency function and general utility services. So sometimes it may just ask agency function, or sometimes it may just ask what are the general utility services of commercial bank, or sometimes it may ask as a whole topic as a one question. So if we read only one topic, that will be important in 3 ways. Okay, like buy one get one offer you will be having. So this is like that, very important question, most important and repeated question. You need to listen it carefully and try to understand. Let us see the first point, that is deposits. Generally deposits are divided into 4 types. What are those? First is current deposits, second is saving deposits, third is fixed deposits and fourth is recurring deposits. Deposits are divided into 4: fixed, then saving, then current, then recurring. Let us first see current deposits. So these accounts are made generally by large industrialists, businessmen and companies. Before learning what are the various deposits, we all have our particular bank, right? And we the common people will have which kind of account? We maintain saving account. Am I right? We maintain saving account. In the same way, there are various accounts like current, fixed and recurring. So who will maintain these deposits with bank, and what are the rules and regulations if we open this account in the bank? Let us see the first one, that is current account. So this is most probably used by the large industrialists, large businessmen, companies and institutions, because on daily basis they deal with large amounts. Like we deal with 10,000, 15,000, that's it. But these large industrialists, daily basis they'll be in lakhs, right? So they open current account with the bank, and there is no limit for transaction. Means anytime you can deposit how much amount you want, and anytime you can withdraw how much amount you want. For example, you can deposit 2 lakh into your account at the same day, and also you can deposit 3 lakhs also while withdrawing the amount. Withdrawing means taking out from the bank. While withdrawing, you can directly withdraw 5 lakhs in a day also. But is it same for the saving account? No, there is a particular limit on the transaction. Like whenever we go to any ATM, so can you withdraw 20,000 or 40,000 in a day? No, a person can withdraw only 10,000 in a day, not more than that. So here particular limit is there. I have mentioned here there is a particular limit on the transaction, whereas here there is no limit. You can withdraw 5 lakhs amount also. But in case of saving account, can we withdraw unlimited money? No. Why? Because there is a specific limit on our withdrawals and deposits. Alright, and anytime we can take out all this 10,000 also. Am I right? Yes. Coming to the third point, that is fixed deposit. Generally people say it as FD. Okay, FD. FD means fixed deposits. So here amount cannot be withdrawn before the expiry period. For example, you have come up with a contract with the bank that I will pay rupees 10,000 every month. I will deposit rupees 10,000 every month till 1 year. Till how many years? Till 1 year. What I have said to bank? I will deposit rupees 10,000 every month till 1 year. So till my 1 year completes, what is my expiry here? 1 year. So till 1 year I cannot withdraw money from the bank. That is called as fixed deposit. Sometimes if I am in urgent need of money, I cannot withdraw money from my bank because it is a fixed deposit. That is a rule of fixed deposit, that amount cannot be withdrawn before the expiry period. Last is recurring deposit. Amount is deposited in monthly installments for a fixed period of time. Monthly you will be paying certain amount, you will be depositing certain amount into the bank. So today if I have deposited 5,000, tomorrow also I am depositing 5,000 next month. Then next month again I will be depositing 5,000. This will be continued till a fixed time. If I have said to the bank for 2 years, I will deposit 5,000. So that is fixed time. How much I am depositing? 5,000 every month. That means 5,000 is repeating. Repeating means what? Recurring. So this is the fourth type of deposit. Which kind of deposit we use? We use generally saving deposits. So deposits are divided into how many types? 4 types. Current deposits, saving deposits, fixed deposits and recurring deposits. Coming to the next one, that is B. We have completed A, that is deposits. The second functions of commercial bank is loans and advances. Under this main heading, we have more 4 subheadings. First is cash credit, then second is loans, third is discounting of bill and fourth is overdraft. What is the main heading? Loans and advances. Under this we have more 4 points. Let us see the first one. Cash credit. A customer can withdraw a specific amount, a specific limit, till a specific limit, and he cannot withdraw the entire amount. For example, in your account you have 50,000 rupees. Okay, in your account you are having 50,000 rupees. So at a time the entire amount, entire 50,000 you cannot withdraw, because you need to withdraw only a specific amount, not more than that. Okay, so we cannot withdraw the entire amount as per our needs. As per our needs. For example, I am in need of 8,000, then I'll withdraw only 8,000 from the bank. So according to our needs, as per our needs, we can withdraw the amount, but we cannot withdraw the entire amount. This is called as cash credit. Coming to second point, that is loans. This is very easy. Loans are given by banks to the customer. Alright, a specific amount is given by banks to the customer, which is called as loans. Coming to third one, discounting of bills. This and fourth one, third point and fourth point are very important. It can be asked as a 2 marks question. This is important for economics as well as for your commerce also. In your commerce subject you will be finding these 2 points. So please try to listen it carefully and understand. So discounting of bill, listen carefully. There are two persons. How many persons? Two persons, person A and person B. A have sold goods to B. That means A is the seller. A is the seller and B is the buyer. So whenever we buy any commodity, we will pay the amount. For example, I have bought this marker from a stationery. Simply free of cost, can I get it? No, I need to pay money to him. In the same way, A and B have come into an agreement and contract that B have bought goods of 3 lakhs. How much? 3 lakhs. But right now B is not having any money to pay. So what B will do? They have decided within 3 months I will pay your amount. So A have sold goods to B and B said that within 3 months I will give you the amount. But till that time B is giving a bill to A. Bill of how much? 3 lakhs. Just on a paper, B is making a bill of 3 lakhs and giving it to A. So after 3 months B will give the amount, but till that time you can just keep this bill with you. So this is the contract. Okay, the topic is completed. But before 3 months, if A is having some urgent need of money, A is in urgent need of money, so what A will do? A will take that bill and go to the bank. What A will do? A will take the bill and go to the bank and ask to convert that bill into money. Okay, so what bank will do? Without believing, it will first ask with B, it will first confirm with B that whether you have given a bill to A or not. If the confirmation is done, B said yes, I have given a bill, then what this bank will do? It will give the amount to A person who have sold the goods. Do you think the bank will give all the 3 lakhs? No, because bank is not getting any profit here. Bank got 3 lakhs and bank gave 3 lakhs. Is it possible? No. What bank will do? Bank will keep certain amount with himself and give a part of that amount to person B. So from 3 lakhs, it will give only 2,27,000 to A and remaining 30,000 he will not give it to A. Alright. So this is called as discounting of bill. Alright. So they have decided for 3 months, a contract of 3 months. B is not having money, so it have given a bill to A. Alright. Then A, before 3 months only, he was in need of money, so he went to the bank and bank have given him 2,70,000 and remaining 30,000 bank have kept it with himself. Alright. So this procedure is called as discounting of bill. Out of 3 lakh, the discount was how much? 2,70,000. This discount was done for whom? For the bill. So the name is discounting of bills. Coming to the last point, that is overdraft. Okay, very interesting. A person is having 4,000 in his account. How much is having? 4,000. But it have given a check to B of rupees 5,000. Okay, I am having 4,000 in my account, but I am giving you 5,000 as a check. So I am having 4, but I am giving you 5. So 1,000 is not there in my account. This is my account. I am having only 4,000. Okay, but I have given the check of 5,000. That means my check will bounce because I am not having 5,000 in my account. 1,000 is missing. But according to overdraft facility, if I am having 4,000 in my account, but I have given a check of 5,000 to you, then you will receive all the 5,000. How? Bank will give the 1,000 to you. Okay. But next time whenever I visit the bank, for depositing any amount, that bank will charge interest on that 1000. For example, if I have visited the bank after 25 days, okay, after 25 days I have visited the bank for depositing some money. At that time, bank will charge interest of on 25 days on this 1000 rupees, and I need to pay that much of amount to the bank, because previously I was having 4 but bank have given 5000. So bank have given from his own pocket. So now whenever I come to the bank next time, I need to pay the amount with interest to the bank, which is called as overdraft facility. That means, in simple terms, we have less amount in our account but we are giving more amount to someone through check. Then that person will receive that much of amount, but whenever we come next time, we need to pay the amount to the bank with the rate of interest. So first point was 4 types of deposit, and the second point we have 4 side headings. Okay, so deposits and loans and advances is completed. Next we are going to discuss point number C and D. So our third function, that is general agency functions. Okay, what is our third function? Agency function. Already 2 we have discussed, that is deposits and loans and advances. Third is agency function. So what is the definition of agency function? Bank performs certain functions for the customers and behalf of customers. Bank is performing certain functions. Okay, bank is performing certain functions for the customers and behalf of the customers. So what are those functions which bank is performing for the customers? Let us see. There are 3 functions which the bank is performing. First is to collect and to make payment. So banks will collect checks, bills, interest, dividend and rent, etc. Okay, it will collect it, as well as it will make the payment on behalf of whom? On behalf of the customers. Might be you are not used to these terms like dividend, interest, etc. But once you will go through the accountancy subject, you will be easily understanding these terms. So just right now you just focus that the bank is performing the function of collecting and making payment of bills, checks, interest, dividend, rent and etc. Then coming to second function of bank, to banker act. It is acting as an executor banker. Okay, banks are acting as an executor banker and attorney to customers' will. Attorney means any lawful object or any lawful activity which is performed on based of customers' will. Customers' will means whenever we want, we will deposit money, whenever we want, we withdraw our money. So bank is working according to customers' will and it is acting as an executor banker. Executor means first person to start. Okay, for example, if I have opened my account in some SBI bank, then SBI bank is my executor banker. Then second, I have opened one more account in some Andhra bank. So which is my executor bank? The first one. It is acting as the first bank. Okay, then it is acting as a attorney to the customer's will. Okay, it is acting as a safest person where we can deposit money, where we can have faith and trust on the bank, and we can deposit how much money we want, we can deposit into bank. So second function is to banker act. Then third is to banker work. It acts as a correspondent, agent and representative for their clients. Okay, clients means we are the customers. So it is acting as a correspondent, it is acting as our agent, it is acting as our representatives. Alright, so these are the three functions of commercial bank which comes under agency function. So the third point C, that is agency function, is also completed. Last and final one is left, that is general utility services. Here the bank was performing the functions and now the bank is providing some services. What are those? Safe custody. Bank is providing locker facility, safe locker facility to the customers where we can deposit our money. For example, if we keep the money at home, we might have a risk that our money might be stolen by some thief. Am I right? So bank is giving such kind of safe locker facility to the customers in order to have safe custody. Then second service, foreign exchange. It is accepting as well as collecting foreign bills of exchange. For example, if our country India and Dubai are having international trade, so obviously the currency of different countries will be different, but the banks will be accepting as well as collecting both the currencies and both the bills of exchange. Then coming to third service, that is letter of credit. For example, in previous years they used to transport goods through water, that is called as water transport. Okay, imagine that from me I need to transport goods to you and middle is along a river or lake. So we need to transfer from this place to that place. So I am sending the goods, that means I am importer. You are collecting the goods, that means you are the exporter. Alright. So when I transport my goods to your place, okay, I will be sending you one letter of credit that my goods have arrived safely. Okay, that is some trust type paper. So this is letter of credit which is given by bank to the exporter. So this is a letter of credit which is given by bank to the exporter on the request of importer. So importer will request the bank to give letter of credit to the exporter. So government is doing a service for importer, right? So this is the third general utility service of commercial bank. So this topic is also completed. So totally we have discussed 4 functions of commercial bank: deposits, loans and advances, agency function and general utility services. The topic have come to an end. Might be you are feeling that this is a little bit confusing and tougher, but if you go on practicing it every day, okay, with writing as well as learning, hope you will understand it more clearly. The thing is, you need to learn it again and again, you need to by heart it again and again, write it again and again in your books. The topic will automatically become easier. See you in the next classes with some new topics. Till that, stay healthy, stay home, stay safe and don't stop practicing.